Hey, Coco. You want to go for a walk? Come on, let's go for a walk. This way. Coco, this way. Come on. Coco. I guess we're going this way. I guess we're going this way. Sprinklers are on. Come on, Coco. Come here, Coco. Come on, Coco. Come on. What's in there? Feel like going for a walk? Come on. It's okay. Coco, you want to go feed the fish? Coco, you want to go feed the fish? Come on. Come on, baby. Guess no walk today. Not on the grass. You're just like those horses. When you know you're on your way back home, you go faster. Huh? My little horse. Gotta go around the front. Good girl. Over here I am. Here I am. Wanna go potty? Hey, wanna give me 5? Give me 5. Coco, give me 5. You want to shake? Shake. Shake. He's going to get it back. You got to get it back still. Good girl. You're a good girl. You got an itchy spot? No itchy spot. It's okay, wanna go in the house? Yeah, let's go in the house. Go ahead. Good girl. Well, that was a long walk, huh? Oops. I'm gonna lay down. You want a treat? Let's go find a treat. You want a cracker? Okay, let's go find a cracker. Here's a cracker. They're almost gone. Want a cracker? Can you shake? Ah, you don't need to shake. You can have it. Good girl. Haha, found the itchy spot. That's a good girl. Shake. Shake. You want more? Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Shake. Can you shake? Shake. She says, I'm not shaking for a camera. Okay, here's another one. Love you, old girl. Yeah, you love crackers. Okay. Bye-bye.